Good Dog Pumpkin Banana Oat Treats. No peanut butter, no fuss, still tail wagging approved. Hi, I'm Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, and today we are baking up something special for the goodest little dachshunds in the house, because when those tiny legs behave, we reward accordingly. These homemade dog treats are easy, simple, and peanut butter free. Perfect for pups who need a different kind of snack but still expect gourmet service like they own the place. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, mashed, 1 2-cup plain pumpkin puree, 1 egg, 2 cups oat flour or whole wheat flour, 1 to 4 cup unsweetened applesauce, 1 to 2 teaspoons cinnamon. Optional pup safety note: use plain pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling. Use unsweetened applesauce with no added sugar or artificial sweeteners. And skip the cinnamon if your pup has a sensitive stomach, because nobody wants a dachshund tummy protest at 2 a.m. Directions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a mixing bowl, mash the banana until smooth. This is also the moment your dachshunds will suddenly appear in the kitchen like tiny furry food inspectors. Add the pumpkin puree, egg, and unsweetened applesauce. Stir until combined. Slowly mix in the flour until a soft dough forms. If the dough is sticky, add a little more flour. If it is too dry, add a tiny splash of water. Roll the dough out on a lightly floured surface and cut into small, treat-sized shapes. Bones, hearts, stars, or whatever shape says, "You did not bark at the leaf today, and I am proud of you." Place the treats on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes or until firm and lightly golden. Let the treats cool completely before serving. Dachshunds may claim they are ready immediately. Dachshunds are not in charge of oven safety. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, or freeze extras for later. Serving suggestion: serve 1 treat for good behavior, 2 for excellent behavior, and 1 tiny bonus nibble if they looked extra cute while doing absolutely nothing. Because a well-behaved dachshund deserves a homemade treat, and maybe a standing ovation for not running the household for 5 whole minutes. Looking for the perfect home with a kitchen big enough for baking treats, making memories, and spoiling the 4-legged family members? I would love to help you find it. Margarett Klein, eXp Realty, your favorite Space Coast Realtor. Phone 321-480-7662. Email margarett.klein@exprealty.com. Website margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. YouTube Dream Home Space Coast, Florida.